What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
The word in the Bible, Revelation. So man, read the Bible. Can't tell you. Yeah, man. There's a word in the Bible right up here. Close the play now. We can't tell people seek God.
Yeah.
Seek God. You see how you start, last year I see me start. And this will continue. Father God time of revelation.
Yeah,
every word from a man in the Bible, read Revelation. Read from Revelation, go down.
Yeah, because
everything in the Bible right go on. And this is the locust we are taking.
Corona come first, locust, and then this comes second. We expect many, many more.
And the
era, so just I start
and I see me at the end.
Sheldon Litchmore, the father of the 15-year-old Shalisha Litchmore, one of two teenage girls who drowned in a river in Coca District, St. Elizabeth on Saturday, was in a reflected mood at the girls' sudden death at the scene of the search for their bodies on Sunday. He viewed the deaths and other recent events such as the COVID-19 pandemic as omens that the coming of the Lord is near, and urged the person to reflect on the signs of the time, as shown in the video. Shalisha's body was recovered by divers on Sunday afternoon. Hours before, at about 9 a.m. the same day, the body of 13-year-old Gabriel Madden, also of Coca District, was found by local divers and members of the Jamaica Defence Force, JDF. John No Star. Real sad people. It was reported that the two high school girls went to the river at about 4 p.m. on Saturday. One of the two reportedly got into difficulties when she tried to rescue the other girl who had fallen into the river. Both were believed to have been subsequently swept away by the waters. Wow. It's really sad, people. You understand? Two little teenagers gone. Just gone like that. And as what the man is saying, people, many people may take it as a joke or may take it lightly, you know what I mean? But this is real thing, people. This is reality. We are in the final days, you know. Some people may say, yeah, we are here the final days, how long and them can't see it coming. But the Bible is reflecting, and the Bible do tell you about revelation, people. And it's just sad to know that the year just started and so much things. And I say it in other videos. There's so much things that's been going on, people, in this world. And the year 2020 just started. You know what I mean? It just started, people. 2021, sorry, just started. You know, so, yo, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Two little girls just gone like that, just drop out. And all I can say, people, you know, my prayers to this family, because it's not easy, you know, losing a child, you know, not age at all, could have been even 1 month old, and to know that they're gone in this mother, and to know that one was trying to help the other one, and this just happened. But it's something that I saw happen before, you know, more than once too. A person joining and someone tried to help. I did see it happen with two brothers too. Last year too, close up to the new part of the year too. And one of the brothers trying to help the other. And you know, I saw it happen close up too. So boy, and now it's too little girl just, I tell the people, viewers and subscribers, just be good out there, you know, and be great. And only thing I can say, people, there's a lot to expect in this world in this time, you know. Peace out. Enough love, enough respect. Remember, subscribe. Big up on yourself. Attack.